Hi everybody, this is Sarah. I'm here at Marsh Creek State Park today doing a little kayaking. Unfortunately, my kids are at school, so I miss kayaking with my daughter. She's kind of my kayaking buddy, but I'm here by myself and I'm going to enjoy a beautiful day. Right along the lakeshore to my left is a great blue heron. I'm going to try to kayak pretty gently up there and see if we can get a closer look at the heron. So like I mentioned, I'm at Marsh Creek State Park, which is in Chester County, Pennsylvania. So this lake is a 535-acre lake. If you visit during the season, there is a boat rental here where you could rent, canoe, kayak, paddleboard, that type of thing. I brought my own folding kayak with me today. There's a nice area to launch from here. I think what I like most is you can get your car pretty close to where you launch your kayak, so you don't have to make a lot of trips back and forth. The one other thing I do want to mention is that if you launch your kayak here, Pennsylvania state parks have special rules where you need to have a launch permit from the Fish and Boat Commission. It's pretty inexpensive. I think I paid $12 for a whole year, and they give you a sticker for your kayak or your boat. So just be aware of that. If you don't have it, they can fine you. So it's better to be on the safe side. It is just an absolutely perfect day to be out on the water. Great temperatures, not too hot, not too cold, beautiful blue skies. Really not many boats out on the water. I've got this place all to myself, which is really cool. If I look out at the tree line, everything is still pretty green. Little spots of light green or yellow starting to fill in. But I bet this place is going to look amazing in a couple weeks when fall colors and the leaf change hits. And it looks like you can maybe rent a space to store your kayaks here, which is really cool if you live local. You could do that. So I'm going to make my way back to the dock where I started. As you can see, there's a lot of spaces here at the PA State Park. We'll rent space for you to keep your kayak or canoe here. This would be a really awesome option if you live local to the parks and wanted to store your boat right here on the lake. So once I get my boat packed away in the car, I'm going to show you the red trail. And this trail is really great because it runs through the woods but also along the lake, and there's lots of little paths to stop off and explore. Maybe this is the same heron we saw earlier, or maybe it's a different one. I'm not really sure, but it's beautiful either way. I'm going to stop at this little picnic area and have a drink, and then we're going to start on the red trail. I've heard that this state park can get pretty crowded on the weekends in the summer months with lots of people coming out here to boat. I've noticed there's just so many little picnic areas near the lake. It certainly looks like you would have a chance to kind of find a quiet spot away from people if you wanted to do that. So this red trail is just a 1.5-mile trail. Most of it is made up of gravel, but the really cool thing, like I said about it, is there's so many beautiful viewpoints of the lake. Off of this gravel trail, there's so many different little pathways you can take to go down and explore the lake shore. There's also lots of picnic areas off this trail. So the red trail is basically a connection from the two different day use parking lots. So at the end of this pathway here, we're going to run into another parking lot, and I'm just going to turn around and backtrack the same way that I started. I hope you enjoyed seeing beautiful Marsh Creek State Park. This is a great place to kayak, a great place to get out on the lake. I saw some people fishing. It looked like it was pretty good for that as well. Plenty of hiking trails here. I only showed you the red trail, but there's lots of other hiking opportunities. There's also lots of great spots to have a picnic near the lake. Pennsylvania just has an incredible state park system. All the parks in the state are free, which is fantastic. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.